School staff moved to clear the halls. This protocol is standard to protect students when a staff member is reported for erratic behavior.
Upstairs and downstairs. I repeat, clear all the halls upstairs and downstairs.
It's her stuff in the classroom. Get teach.
I'm such a bad person.
No, you're not a bad person. You made an unfortunate choice. You're not a bad person.
I'm done. I mean, oh my God.
You got 137. I'm going to write that down.
I'm so sorry. I know.
Let them get into the cafeteria, and then we are going into a clear the halls for the entire school. Okay? I don't know if the ambulance is there or not.
I'm already on it. You also Yep.
Oh my God.
Did you guys already send them anyways, and she can just decline them when they get here? Where's her stuff?
She has right now.
That's what I was.
She said it's in her jacket. That's a jacket. I'm not going to touch it.
Well,
That's 100% her stuff.
Hey, you want to slide over to the school and bring the code in? Teacher brought high right now. Yeah, I probably need to do a sniff on her stuff to take it. Yeah, do you know where Mr. Carrier's classroom is? It's in the second floor, back corner by the playground. I can get you a number. It's the math room. Okay,
I'm
yeah,
just
it's
making sure you didn't call to
281.
put us on CRT.
It's a chick, and she's like visibly high. Like
Officers observed tweaking, a term for stimulant-induced hypercatispity. Her heart rate of 130 is a key medical indicator of recent drug use.
Alright, sounds good.
So that is for both.
Okay, we'll want a dog on it, and the dog's probably gonna hit. We'll just take it.
Do you...
Or one of us will just ask if we can search it. But
She told me it's in here.
yeah, I'm
That's
sure.
enough for me to do it, right? Because I'm school.
I don't know about your policies, but legal standard. I mean, we'll probably charge her with something if. I mean, I'm sure she has something. If she has something, we'll probably charge her. So we'll just wait until we ever see her with a dog and run the dog around it. And then I can also go ask her if she'll let us search. But we might as well run a dog around it though, just to make sure it's actually hers. And the dog will hit on it if there was something in there. So what's her name?
Melissa Martin. And I believe she lives in Orange County somewhere.
Okay.
But I can get that information.
Police use a canine to establish independent probable cause. This ensures the search is legal even if the suspect later retracts her confession.
Okay, perfect. Hey, it's Officer Morris from the town, just looking to run something by one of the essays. Hey, Zach, it's Thatcher. How are you? Doing well. Calling with kind of an interesting one here. I assume there's some sort of criminal charge. My assumption would be reckless endangerment. We're at the school right now dealing with a teacher who brought and used at the school. She was a substitute teacher today, and she is like visibly high on a stimulant right now, like completely tweaking out. And she said that she brought and used cocaine here. We haven't actually found paraphernalia or anything yet. We're waiting for Leo to show up with his dog, and we're going to run on her stuff, see where we go from there. I mean, obviously we find criminal charges, but if we don't find anything, if we just find paraphernalia just based on the fact that she's visibly high and said she brought cocaine and used cocaine, is that enough? I mean, cocaine sets in and like instantly, so it's not like she didn't use it here. She has said she used it at the school, yeah. I haven't interviewed her yet because she's dealing with nurses here right now, but she told the nurses that she used it here, and it seems like she's pretty forthcoming. Because I saw her briefly, but she's like absolutely tweaking. From my understanding, it was in the building, and she said it's in her jacket pocket, which makes me think the
Reckless endangerment charges apply here because narcotics were left in an area accessible to children, creating a life-threatening risk.
You're probably right there. I'm pretty sure that is a lot. It's just one of those things that never happens, so you don't know it off the top of your head. Yeah, I was more curious. I mean, I'm not sure how much she brought. I can't imagine she didn't use what she had. So I fully suspect at most we're going to find paraphernalia. And it's not like it's a DUI, so we can bring her up there for an evidentiary draw. So I wasn't sure if it reaches that level then or not. That's ridiculous. Well, I mean, just the possession is criminal in itself, but it's not a DUI, so how does that work when it's not a DUI, though? I mean, I can always see if she consents to an evidentiary draw, but I was at the school, and one of the teachers came down and told me to head upstairs. They were calling us anyways, but the school, like the principal's office, called us because I don't know how it came about yet that it became known that she was high, but like she is like absolutely tweaking. It wouldn't take DRE to realize she's high. I mean, her heartbeat was also like 130, which is another indication, because I overheard the nurses saying that too. Get middle and elementary. Yeah. I'm almost certain, so it's lunchtime here right now, so all the kids are out to recess, and frankly, cocaine, as I said, sets on almost immediately. The fact that it's recess time, the kids went outside, and that's when I get called. As I said, I haven't interviewed her yet, because she's with the nurses right now, and they're checking her out. And I'm in the classroom with their stuff because we don't want any kids coming in here and being around the drugs. But yeah, I'm almost certain she used the drugs in the school, and if that's the case, then they were in here around children. Yeah, Leo's working right now, so he's on his way here with the dog right now. Because she's with the nurses, we're just going to run the dog around it, and if the dog hits on it, we're going to grab it all, and then we'll see if she consents to it. Because we're on two opposite ends of the building. Oh, yeah, the dog should hit. Jesus, look at it. Do you want to pull the backpack though and see if she hits on the coat too? She had said it's in the coat.
That's right in the same spot.
I think just based on her saying it's in the coat.
The odor's there anyway.
Okay, we'll just see all of her stuff though. She'll probably consent to it, but the essays want us to Mirandize her too. Did she tell you guys where she used it? If it was the car in the building?
She told the EMTs again that she used it this morning, and he was like, no, when? And she just said, I don't know.
The suspect admitted to gumming the cocaine.
I don't know.
This method allows the drug to enter the bloodstream instantly through the mucous membranes.
I just want to make sure it wasn't like in a bathroom somewhere and then in the trash.
Or right here. She's just,
Yeah.
there's the jug there.
Okay.
Go up to the hospital.
Is she going up to the hospital?
They just loaded her in there.
Yeah, we'll go up there then. We'll try to interview her up there. And, okay. We'll see if we can just get consent to search these things up there, and if not, we'll have to apply for a search warrant to search it. Now, is that her backpack there, or is that a student?
No, that's an emergency student backpack.
Okay, perfect. Now, do you know what she drives for a vehicle? Or
I have no idea.
I guess I should figure that out. Is she from? She's from Vermont.
Yeah.
Might as well run her around the car too and yank the car. Maybe it worked out well in here. You could also locate Alyssa Martin in Valcor, and she should have some ties to this area and see what she has for registered vehicles.
Thank you. Thank you for coming so fast.
I was already here. I was standing down. No, she shouldn't be bringing around kids no matter what. 'Cause if she's at a classroom,
Are you
kid
going to
comes
walk
in
the
and
code
plays.
on? You're going to go outside?
Yeah, nope. Probably bring her out.
Hopefully, never in any school again.
Yeah, right. Yeah, exactly.
It's kind of unbelievable that somebody
Yeah, I guess so.
have that nerve. Students did. How did it come into you
She's
guys?
quick with it.
Laura, student sports.
knows when she's
hey,
working, it's
and
like-
something was reported.
like,
No,
and
that
I was face to face with Melissa, and I'm like, something's off, and I got Erica.
And then I looked at her and said, what did you think?
Because
So the students, but they weren't already out to recess at that point?
No, an 8th grade student
No.
stopped. So,
Enough.
all right.
She's like,
Well,
Dad.
thank you
Yeah,
guys.
well, we'll head up to the hospital and we'll deal with her. And I think I'll have to bring her stuff into the hospital if we get consent. Unfortunately, she's got to be present, but this would be kind of annoying not to do it once. But because Gary basically said if you can show that she did it in the building, we'll charge them like something on that. Yeah, just because of the fact that a kid gets
Oh,
No, but we need you now.
Thank you.
Getting out now.
Yeah, I'm heading straight out the side door.
Through the halls.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Like, yes, I don't want to I don't want to let everybody down. I'm just a disappointment. Nobody, I want to hurt anybody.
Melissa, can I get you anything to eat or drink right now?
So Melissa, I'm here for our aspect of this and our investigation into this, obviously. So I do have a couple of questions for you based on that. First, State's Attorney's Office wants me to read something to you, though. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk with a lawyer and to have one present with you during questioning. You have the right to a lawyer to be present with you during questioning if you're not afford to hire.
Even in a hospital, Miranda rights must be read before. This makes her admission to the dime bag legally binding in court.
Questions now without a lawyer present. You have the right to stop questioning at any time. Do you understand those rights? Okay. So, what exactly happened today? Will you tell me? I overheard you talking with a doctor. You said you were fighting with your boyfriend and up all night last night. So you were trying to stay awake today at school. Is that what was happening?
Yeah, well, yeah,
Okay.
I'm tired.
Okay. And when at school and where in the school were you using?
I didn't use it at the school, or in the school.
So, Melissa, I'm going to be honest with
I
you.
had it in my pocket, in my jacket.
Well, your jacket was in the school. So,
I
Melissa,
wore my jacket.
I've been in law enforcement for a little while, and I've been around people who have used drugs for a while. I know cocaine hits you pretty quickly, and I know it usually wears off in a couple hours. It was around 11 o'clock when this happened. So if you showed up today at 8 o'clock, which is the normal start time for the school, you wouldn't be visibly high right now if you hadn't used at the school.
I swear.
My assumption is the kids went out for a recess and lunch, and that's when it would have happened. Is that true?
No, they had, the 8th grade came in, and one of the boys in the room is.
Why you?
I can't.
So what time would you say you used this morning?
I used it before I got to school.
Before you got to school?
Yeah.
Okay, like out in your
Like-
car, out at home? Where'd you use it?
No, like, I had used it in my car before I got to school.
Is there any in your car? So you used it in your car and then you brought what you had left into the school?
Well, because I had it in my jacket pocket.
Okay.
And I had my jacket on, and I wore my jacket into the school, and
Okay.
I mean, I didn't use any, I swear to God, at the school.
Okay. Who's your car registered to? Where'd you get from?
I found it.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So you don't have to talk other than answering this question. Frankly, you don't have to answer it. We're going to proceed irregardless. So where we're at right now is we brought a canine into that classroom. We ran the canine around your stuff. The canine hit on both your backpack and your jacket. So you can either consent to us searching your jacket and your backpack, or what's going to happen is we're going to take it back to the police department. We're going to write it, and a judge will make a determination. Who's your boyfriend that you were arguing with last night?
What?
I said, who's your boyfriend that you were arguing with last night? So I assume in this dime bag is the dime bag. That's it. Okay. Is it just a gram, like 100 piece, like 100 piece?
Yeah.
No needles in this bag, is there?
No.
Okay.
We can wait until you're...
I'll be done here in just.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Will you just let one of us know when you leave? So
Yeah,
we can-
probably 3-4 minutes.
We'll just have to have you change into hospital scrubs and all for our safety protocol, okay, Melissa?
What are you teaching for?
3.5 years.
That's quite a while. What are the pills in your glasses case? One's just a gold unmarked pill.
Those are, like, order off the Amazon.
I believe you. You've been honest with me. So you said there's nothing in your car. Okay, because we're gonna run a canine around that car as well. And if I'm not a canine guy, but I have heard that canines will alert the other narcotics if there's been narcotics in the car and there aren't anymore. If that's the case, like for example, if you had
The plain smelled doctrine in K9 alerts out officers to search the suspect's vehicle for further evidence of possession or distribution.
Yeah, just based on the fact that it was in there this morning. So based on such, if that's the case and the dog would alert on that vehicle, we'd be asking for consent to search that vehicle as well. I presume it's probably locked right now. Do you want your lunch at all? I'm just going to take the cocaine and leave all the other stuff here. The hospital will hold on to it for you.
What are they gonna do to me? What's gonna happen
So-
to me? I'm upside down.
Melissa.
I don't want to go to jail.
Melissa,
I don't want to.
you're here for help. The hospital's going to help you. So based on you're okay. So you're not going to jail right now. You're going to stay here. And I'm going to walk out this door in a couple minutes. So you're here to get help first. You taking care of yourself is the priority. Based on your statements to the hospital staff, I have a feeling the hospital is going to ask you, or you might not even have a choice, frankly, based on your to them. They're probably going to want you to get checked out by Washington County Mental Health. That's for the best.
I thought somebody was already in here. Did they get in?
She came in for just a minute, and I'll be out of here in like 2 seconds. She just told me to grab her. I just need to drop paper on her. Do you guys have any rubber gloves I tossed this out?
Try to do some deep breaths, like in through your nose and out through your mouth.
I'm sorry. S-S-A.
Actually, you could just do your middle. I got your first and last name right here.
A-N-N.
What's a good phone number for you, Melissa? So, Melissa, I'm just going to issue this to you, and then I'm going to get out of here, okay? Is there anyone you want me to contact for you? Just let them... Okay, I wasn't sure if you had, like, family or something you wanted to...
I don't want to be friends.
No, that's totally fine. I just wanted to make sure that you didn't want somebody to know you were up here, because I can do that for you if you need. But so,
We
what...
can also do it like later in a few hours or whatever. It's pretty much what we're
And as far as your car goes, the school's probably not going to want to stay there or to stay there for an extended period of time. Is there somebody I should contact at some point? Like, if, for example, if you stay up here, is there somebody I should contact to pick it up? I mean, you're not going to be in a position where you should be driving for a couple hours anyways.
This is anxiety and panic that's coming out.
Even so, you shouldn't drive in an overly emotional state either. You're going to be up here for a little...
I don't know how to. I don't know how to.
Yeah, as I said, I'm leaving right now. So, Melissa, what this is the citation to court right here. It's going to be for next Thursday at 8:30 in the morning, 255 North Main Street in Derry. You're going to be charged with reckless endangerment and cocaine possession. At the time of it, you're going to show up.
Reckless endangerment?
Reckless endangerment, and for bringing drugs into a school is what that is. It's reckless.
Martin is cited for felony reckless endangerment. Beyond jail time, this likely results in a permanent ban from the teaching profession.
So if you don't show up at that time and date, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You do understand that? Okay, will you sign acknowledging that you understand that? Okay.
Oh my god, wait, what date is